Phoenix Lister and Clinical Competency Awardee of St. Gabriel College, where she finished her nursing course. She is currently the head of nurse of Department of Mental Health and Behavioral Science at the V. Luna General Hospital. Her other various positions include her being a general duty nurse, a head nurse, and admin officer from different military treatment facilities, and a resource person on various topics as mental health, stress management, and psychiatry emergency. She has received military awards and decorations, commendations, recognitions, and appreciations, but the greatest, of course, is her being the wife of Mr. Worley R. Arel III, and the mother of her two sons, Sai and Seth. Ladies and gentlemen, our inspirational for today's event, Miss Mary Jean M. Torriego Arel. Let's give her a round of applause.
Your school administrator, Engineer Daniel C. Lobson, our dear principal, Mrs. Coralie Sanchez, to the dedicated teachers, faculty, and staff, to the proud parents and guardians, and most especially to the kindergarten leaders. Good afternoon. It is truly an honor and a privilege to be invited as your guest speaker for today's Moving Up Spread. Honestly, when I was invited, I hesitated Education is a journey, and today is just the beginning. Listen to your teachers, respect your parents, and always do your best. Once again,